Hello guys, guess the Asian country's currency. 6 seconds for each questions. Try to full score. Please subscribe the channel. Question number 1. Lebanon. Lebanese pound. Question number 2. Malaysia. Ringgit. Question number 3. Maldives. Maldivian rupiah. Question number 4. Mongolia. Mongolian Togrog. Question number 5. Myanmar. Kyat. Question number 6. Nepal. Nepalese rupee. Question number 7. Oman. Omani Rial. Question number 8. Pakistan. Pakistani rupee. Question number 9. Philippines. Philippine peso. Question number 10. Qatar. Qatari Riyal. Question number 11. Russia. Russian ruble. Question number 12. Saudi Arabia. Saudi Riyal. Question number 13. Singapore. Singapore dollar. Question number 14. Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka rupee. Question number 15. Syria. Syrian pound. Question number 16. Tajikistan. Samoni. Question number 17. Thailand. Baht. Question number 18. Timor-Leste, East Timor. US dollar. Question number 19. Turkey. Turkish lira. Question number 20. Turkmenistan. Turkmen new manat. Question number 21. United Arab Emirates. UAE dirham. Question number 22. Uzbekistan. Uzbekistan som. Question number 23. Vietnam. Dong. Question number 24. Yemen. Yemeni Rial.
To change your